Welcome back to the show. You're watching Pree Dis. We are here at Kingston Kitchen, and you know we are here with a sponsor of the show, Sip Spring Water, Simply Sips. Now check out the highlights from Kingston Kitchen. Wonderful food, wonderful vibe, music, and family.
That is why we got involved in Kingston Kitchen, because we want to produce our products, the new line that we have to offer, such as our sorrel syrup. It's really awesome, and we really wanted to take off the market. We have our pimento sauce, our browning, which is a meat browning. We also have the food browning. Our hot pepper, we also have our crushed pepper, and our jerk sauce seasoning. The feedback that we're getting from the customers, it is excellent. They tried it on our chicken, our sorrel, sweet and sour chicken, and it's really awesome.
All right, well, we're a startup catering company. We've been in operation for about a year. Started small, doing dinner parties and things like that. So this is our way of expanding, getting the name out there, and also showing the public what we have to offer and what we're capable of doing.
What's the feedback been like here today?
It's been good. People especially love the oxtail poutine, which is oxtail deboned, covered with fries and cheese. So people really like that. And also I have a holiday hash, which is glazed ham and sweet potato and roasted pumpkin and corn. And so the reception's been very well. People like it. It's different. There's been a lot of, more heavier food here, so people like it because it's lighter, and yeah, it's good reception.
Sip Spring Water, I want to say it's the premier spring water for this event here. You walk Sips everywhere. At Kingston Kitchen, we like being out and about with the patrons, giving persons that opportunity to really experience and taste the water and have fun experience. Kingston Kitchen is ideal for that. We're here, it's a nice atmosphere. Sips is what you want to drink is everywhere. You have something to eat, some sweet, some spicy. Water is after, Sip Spring Water.
This is a work of love because this particular Kingston Kitchen is about charity. As you see behind me, we have the Appliance Traders Unbeatable Kitchen. We're having a celebrity charity cook-off. A check of $50,000 will be given to a charity of their choice, probably a children's home or old people's home, we're not sure. We've also partnered with Scotiabank, Do Good Jamaica grocery drives. So lots of our patrons have brought cans of food also, which will be going to their food initiative, feeding people for Christmas. So for this one, it's particularly special because it's from the heart. The Christmas spirit indeed is sharing and loving and giving food and eating well together. We've had 43 vendors this time around, so we're really touched. This is one of our biggest in terms of vendors. On average, we have about 30 odd vendors, so this is the biggest one in terms of vendors. So we listen to the patrons. Many of them give us feedback through email, on Twitter, on Facebook. They write to us, say, hey, next Kingston Kitchen, could you have a cook-off, or could you have some live music or something? So we listen and we make it happen.
Now, Petcom in Ocho, Rios and Dunrobin don't only supply us with wonderful gas tips and give us the best gas in the whole country. They also have a wonderful wine section inside the supermarket, so you guys need to go in and check out the deals for this Christmas. You want to see what I'm talking about? Check out the wine selection that they have in these supermarket. Petcom, Ocho, Rios and Dunrobin.
Another day goes, some good, some bad, let it all flow. Some people love you, some people fear you, cause you carry greatness within you. You got the key, better use it. Find what you need to get through it. No worry about nothing, put your hands in the air.
Welcome on board our brand new sponsor, Superior Parts Ltd. Now, Superior recently had a road show to promote their brand new location in Port Antonio. Check out all the highlights. You guys need to see this one. Superior Parts Ltd. Welcome on the best show in the world right now, Pree Dis.
Superior Parts Ltd recently embarked on a most ambitious mission to promote its new location at West Palm Avenue in Port Antonio, Portland. The roadshow, which took place on December 7, began in Kingston and made stops in areas such as Stony Hill Junction, Buff Bay, Orange Bay, Anata Bay, Hope Bay, and St. Margaret's Bay, as well as the town of Port Antonio. Backed by a motorcade comprising of 70 bikers, Isuzu and Honda trucks, as well as a safety ambulance on the route, the promotion highlighted two of the latest motorbikes, the Zhujiang and the Supra. Superior Parts Ltd is the sole distributor of both motorbikes. The new bikes, along with bike parts and accessories, wholesale and retail, will be available at the new Superior Parts store in Port Antonio, Portland. The motorcade culminated with a big feast with food, music, and great vibes at the new West Palm Avenue location in Port Antonio.
We are going for a final commercial break. When we get back, the show got up a couple more notch. Just listen to me. We soon forward. You're watching Pree Dis.